Morning all, lovely day here at the beach again. So I've come down before all the crowds come down, or they're starting to now, do my little breathwork session on the beach. So this morning I'm going to do a nice energizing one just to get everything going. So nice deep breath out, and then start off with some full deep breaths in. Keep doing that for about 20 cycles. On the last one, last inhalation, full inhalation up, hold it, and then exhale halfway out, and then hold the breath, keeping everything relaxed as far as you can, holding your breath as long as you can, letting everything settle. Nice exhale out, deep inhalation in again, expanding the belly, hold, and hold for about a count of 15 seconds. So that's round one, and then just keep doing that for about 2 more rounds. Full breaths, inhales, exhales, and that will really start to fire up your system, get the blood pumping around, and help wake you up. Beautiful. Okay, hope you enjoy your bank holiday Monday, everyone, and I will see you all soon. Bye for now.